Hi there everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella aka Ladyrella and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. So that's that for the intro guys. Let's get right into today's tutorial. So the braiding hair I used for this week is Xpression Super Braid in color number 33, but I didn't even use up the whole pack in making the wig. Now as you guys can see, there are two sizes in the pack, a big one and a small one. I started first with the bigger size. I divided it into two equal parts. Now to get the length I wanted for this wig, I shared these two equal parts into three. I divided them into three equal parts, which we can also refer to as cut 3. After I had cut the braiding hair into the desired length, I didn't pick or plug the braiding hair to give it that feathery look because I didn't want the wig coming out having this kind of tiny ends as you can see in this picture. And then I start crocheting the braiding hair into the wig cap. But to ensure the hair doesn't loosen from the wig cap at any point, please take note of how I am knotting 2 times in my method of crocheting. This will ensure the braiding hair is really tight on the wig cap. For this wig style, which wasn't made to have a part like center part or side part, there's no need to alter the wig cap by sewing a net on it. Just make sure when you get to the front parts or the crown area, which has a different material and the material is kind of fragile, just make sure you're being careful there so you don't tear the net.
Eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right. We're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow?
To skip watching the crocheting process, please keep this video to 8:20.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow waste another day. I don't know how to play. You say we need a change and feel that you need it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time. Buying things online, it's not like we need them. Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time. Buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. And we just slow down. For you and I are safe and sound.
Before rolling each portion of hair, I made sure I combed through to make the hair really smooth for rolling, and then I trimmed off extra ends. You can see the position of my scissors. The position of my scissors is that way, so I am not giving the hair blunt ends. I intentionally made this rolling process kind of slow because, you know, I get comments where people are like, oh, they wish they can do this, they wish they can do that. I'm making it slow so, you know, you guys will understand that even for us that make these videos, it's not like we always have everything together. You get, like, sometimes some things pose difficulties, but we still know, okay, oh, there are ways to go about it, and then with continuous effort and everything, we'll definitely get what we want. Like you don't want to know the struggle I went through with each portion of hair to roll them. Like, it could be very, very stressful. You have to make sure the ends don't come off loose and things like that. And this isn't human hair that one will say, okay, well, let me add a bit of water so that the hair will slip well on the bending rollers. No. So the ends I always trim off before rolling are more visible here. You can see what I'm talking about. And then I make sure I position the scissors in a way I'm not giving the tips a blunt end.
For you and I was safe We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us.
So depending on the direction you want your curls to face, always unroll your bending rollers in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Don't just slide the rollers through the hair just like that. No.
The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found.
One thing about separating curls is that the more you separate the curls, the fuller the hair looks. So depending on the size or the volume you want your hair to have, that will determine how much you're going to loosen the curls or separate the curls.
But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them.
To enhance the look and texture of the hair, I used Hawaiian Silky Argan Oil. It's my favorite oil because it's lightweight.
The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and I.
Since this is a free part wig, it can be styled as desired with bobby pins. So loves, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do well to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That if you haven't already, I put out lots of interesting videos. And if you decide to recreate this look, do well to tag me in your photo or your video. I would really love to see that. Till next time guys, stay blessed, stay out of trouble, and as always, I love you all. Bye bye.